Hi everyone, hope you are having a great day. So, as 2024 is coming to an end, I knew I needed a new website for the new year that could capture everything that I'm doing right now and the services that I offer. Plus, I've been wanting to get into blogging for a while now. But building a website from the ground up is a lot of work, right? Before you even start coding, you need to have your design. And before you have your design, you need to do your research. Instead, I decided not to reinvent the wheel and take inspiration from existing creators out there. And after checking out countless websites, I finally settled on this one. It's clean, vibrant, and modern, kind of the branding that I was aiming for. So, in this video, I'll walk you through my new website and share how I kind of copied it from Ali Abdaal. And at the end of the video, I will share the technical side of the project. So, yeah, let's get to it. Let's have a look at Ali's website for a second. So, in his banner, he has a bright picture of himself and a short bio. Like he is a doctor, he was a doctor and then turned into a entrepreneur, YouTuber, and stuff. He also have a book. So from the first glance, you get to know what he is and what he does. That I really like. And then here he has a email capture box for his newsletter. And then if you scroll down, so this is the section I loved so much. Like at a glance, you can have an idea what services he provides, like his YouTube course, his productivity course, online other courses. His main audience are students, so it makes sense why most of it is courses. But yeah, from this just one page, you can have a nice idea of like what he's doing or what things he provide, and it looks very pleasing visually, right? It gives the whole minimalistic and vibrant vibe you see in his videos. And then he has an about section of the school images. I never talked to conferences, so I don't have these cool images, but someday. And then if you keep scrolling, you can see some of his featured videos since he's primarily a YouTuber. You can see why I kind of like this website, right? He is primarily a YouTuber, but he also have a lot of other businessy stuff going on, right? And he's trying to feature those in his website. Then here he has a podcast that is featuring called Deep Dive, which you should listen. Really great podcast. Someday I might have a podcast. Right now I don't, but when I do, maybe I can use this. And then obviously a newsletter again. One thing I noticed throughout the website is he's really pushing this newsletter. Like in every page almost, you will see this email capture box, and that really shows how important capturing email is, right? YouTube can go down tomorrow, and I will probably lose all my audience. But if I have the email of you guys, I will forever be with you, right? I know that came out probably in the wrong way, but you get the point, right? So yeah, I try to use the same phenomena and in my website. And here at the end, he has a CTA of like his three primary products, like his book, his productivity lab, and the YouTuber Academy. I love the website. Overall, it gives you a really happy and joy vibe when you browse it, which I think he was going for. Now, there's a lot of stuff going on in Ali's website. His newsletter, books, podcast, courses, productivity lab, and much more, right? For my case, I just wanted to focus on three key goals. One is to collect emails for my newsletter. Second is to highlight the services that I offer. And third is to be a space where my potential clients can get to know more about me and get in touch. The idea is that my content, like these videos or blogs, will act as the top of the funnel, and the website will serve as the middle of the funnel. And then through email conversations, I can possibly close new clients. All right, enough talking. Let me show you my version of the website. So this is my header, kind of the same vibe going on as Ali's, but probably my picture is more depressing. I should try to get some happy pictures. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. And I have a same kind of banner here where a software engineer turned entrepreneur, and I kind of gave a small brief about the things or services that I provide. And here I added a get in touch button, so anyone who wants to get in touch with me can easily just email me. So when someone clicks on it, it will open our email box. Let's scroll down. Here you can see the first CTA, which is to capture email for my newsletter. If you guys been following me for a while, you probably know I recently launched my newsletter where I'll be sharing my journey of becoming a self-employed software engineer Last week, I sent out the first issue for the newsletter where I shared my business goals for 2025. Make sure to check it out. Link will be in the description. Let's move on. So here I have the same as kind of Alice, where I showcase the services that I provide, like building software, YouTube promotion, mentoring, and all. If you check Ali's website and click on one of his service, he has like a whole as different web page detailing all the service details, right? And that's a lot of content. For me, I didn't want to spend too much time making all this, and I don't have this much content, so I went on a cheap route. So if you click on one of the surveys, it will open up a Notion page where I left some details about the service. So for example, for building software products, this is the Notion page you will see, where I have two plans for small scale applications and large scale application, and then what technologies I used for front end and back end. And I have a small form here to capture the leads, and this launch your idea button just basically opens up that form. It was a quick and small way to get the job done. And for these two, I just used cal.com to open up a calendar, so anyone who wants to book a call with me, they can easily do that. Moving on, here I have some of my past clients that I work with, some of my featured projects. Retro UI, you guys know of, Makers Tracker, Indie Hustles, and I have some of my featured content. And after these videos, I wanted to have another section for the blogs, but I only have one blog right now, so as soon as I have three, I'll probably show them here. And I have some of my socials here: YouTube, Twitter, GitHub, and LinkedIn. And at the end, this is the footer where again I'm trying to capture the email, and on the here I have my services and my products. I also have an article feature where so far I only wrote one article. Probably seen this video. I just have like a text version of this, so, and if anyone reads it, likes it, they can subscribe to my email. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Would love to get your feedbacks. Alright, so let's talk about the tech side, which isn't super fancy. I'm just using Astro for almost everything. Astro makes it really easy to build static sites. That's why I love it so much. Like for example, all the articles you see here, these are all just like basic markdowns. If I show you the code base, I have the content file here, and inside there I have articles. So this is basically the article you are seeing here, and I have a Slack file which is just basically fetching the data and showing them in a nicer user interface. And then I'm hosting it on Vercel here. I might move them to my own VPS soon, but for now I think this is fine. And then for UI, I'm using Tailwind CSS. That gives you the utility classes. And then I'm using Retro UI for UI inspirations. Like for examples, the button you see on the home page, this one is directly copied and customized this button. So yeah, this is the UI I built, and I'm trying to use this in my projects. I think it looks pretty cool. You guys should check it out as well. And yeah, that's all I had for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and I hope you also had a good year. I wish you the best for the next year. Hope all your goals and wishes come true, and I will see you guys next time or next year. Bye bye.